Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you are safe and healthy. Today's our topic is molecular basis of inheritance. It is a new chapter. Let's have the introduction of this chapter first. Factors oblique genes were first detected and analyzed by Mendel and subsequently many other scientists by following their pattern of transmission from generation to generation. These studies, while greatly elucidating the nature of inheritance in living organisms, provided no insight into the structure or molecular composition of factors. In 1926, the quest to determine the mechanism for genetic inheritance reached the molecular level, and the nature of the protective genetic material was investigated, culminating in the realization that DNA deoxyribonucleic acid is the genetic material, at least for the majority of organisms. This is the substance which controls the inheritance of traits from one generation to the next, and it is also able to express its effects through the formation and functioning of traits. Nucleic acid is of two types in all living systems, that is, deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acid RNA. DNA is the genetic material in all organisms except some viruses. RNA is the genetic material in riboviruses. In others, RNA functions as a messenger carrying genetic information and adapter for picking up amino acids, structural and catalytic molecules in some cases. The DNA. DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. It is an acidic substance present in nucleus which was first identified by Friedrich Mischer in 1869. He named it as nuclein. Altman found these substances to be acidic in nature, hence he named it nucleic acid. The length of DNA is usually defined as number of nucleotides or a pair of nucleotide referred to as base pair BP present in it. This also is the characteristic of an organism. Few examples are given below. Organism genetic material, number of nucleotides or base pairs. Organism, we have 5174 bacteriophage, genetic material single strand DNA circular, number of nucleotides or base pairs 5386 bases. Lambda phage is the organism, genetic material is double strand, that is DS DNA linear, and number of nucleotides are BP 48,502 base pairs. Organism Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli, genetic material DS, that is double stranded DNA circular, number of nucleotides are base pairs 4.6 into 10 raised power 6 BP. Human genome, genetic material double stranded DNA linear, number of nucleotides 3.3 into 10 raised power 9 base pairs. This was all about today's offline class. Thanks.